Hello, this is Amber with WaveRez, and today we are going to go over review emails. So in order to get to review email settings, you would come to the left-hand menu, click on emails. This is going to take you to confirmation by default. Simply click on review to move to the review email. From here, we have all those modules that we've covered in previous videos, but if you'd like to know what they do, you can just hover over them or simply just click on one and add it to see what it looks like. Nothing is saved until you hit the Save Layout button. Now, like reminder, we have a few more settings at the top. We have the days, and this is how many days after their reservation that this review request would be sent to them. We have the mode to turn on and off, and we also have that custom subject line. Now we have a few more settings down here. These are to send review emails to customers if they're marked as no-show or if they're also marked as unconfirmed. By default, review emails will not be sent to customers that are marked as no-show, and they will also not be sent to customers with unconfirmed statuses. So that status bar for the order, if it's set to confirm, paid, it'll be sent. If it's set to no-show, it won't be. If it's set to unconfirmed, it won't be unless these boxes are checked. So once these boxes are checked, it will send those out, but it does not by default. So we also have some standard stuff set up here by default for review email, and that's just the rich text, follow me, and buttons added to here. So you can customize this to your needs like all the other ones. Just remove them if you'd like to remove that line and save layout. If you want to see what this looks like, you can send yourself a test email. I've already done this, so I will just pop over and look at that. On this review request email, we have some custom information set up here. What we did is put in some rich text, but we put in an image. Now we used our logo, but you can use any image here. And we use this image to be able to click on this to direct somebody to a Google Drive. So that's just an example, that's a link. But ideally, we can use this to direct people to your Google My Business page, the review, to leave a review on Google My Business. We can also set up any links to direct them to specific sites if you want them to leave reviews there. Also, if you have social media links set up, the links will be at the bottom of this email, and we don't have those set up, so they are not on here. But when they are, they will be just little icons that they can click on to go to that particular social media website. But we can create custom links to kind of direct them to leave a review in a specific place if you prefer it.